So in this video, we are going to learn how to remove subscriber from a Flodesk segment on Thrivecart purchase. Let's say in your Flodesk account, you have created two different segments. First segment is of new leads which you are getting, which you are adding over there. And the second segment is of the converted customers who actually made the purchase on your Thrivecart store. Now you want that whenever you receive a new order in Thrivecart, you want to remove that customer from the lead segment and you want to add that customer into the customer segment in your Flodesk account. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this process. So in this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new product purchase, a new sale in Thrivecart, automatically the customer who made the purchase will be removed from the old segment in our Flodesk account, that will be the lead segment, and we are going to add that same customer, that same subscriber into some other segment, some new segment in our Flodesk account. Now if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Thrivecart to Flodesk. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we are going to connect our Thrivecart account, our Thrivecart store with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time we receive a new order, a new product is purchased by a customer in our Thrivecart account, automatically the details of that product purchase will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect's automation, we are going to remove a subscriber from a segment in our Flodesk account. So in my Flodesk account, I have created different segments over here. And every user, every customer that signs up to my Thrivecart account automatically gets added in this segment named as sign up. Now I want that the user who has signed up is converted as a customer. If this particular user makes a purchase on my Thrivecart store, in that case, I want to remove this subscriber in my Flodesk account from this segment named as sign up. So in that case, we are going to automate this process that whenever a customer makes a purchase, that particular user will be removed from this segment of sign up over here in my Flodesk account. Also, if you want, you can remove the subscriber from one segment and add the same subscriber to other segment as well using the same automation. So it's a very simple process. Let's begin with it. Starting from our trigger window, in Choose App, search for Thrivecart. Just select it. After selecting Thrivecart, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as Product Purchase. After selecting a trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Thrivecart account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token, the API key of our Thrivecart account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your Thrivecart account. On the right top corner, click on this profile option and from the drop down, go to settings. After coming to the settings page, here you can see an option of API and webhooks. Just click on API and webhooks and go to this API keys section. Now here you can see a key which I have already created in my Thrivecart account. To create a new key, just click on this Create API Key button. Give this API key a name. For example, I will name it as Pabbly Connect and then just click on Create API Key button. Now you can see a new API key is generated in our Thrivecart account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this, just click on Save. And when we click on Save, we will see our Thrivecart account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the product. And in the drop down, you can see a list of all the products which I have created in my Thrivecart account. Now here guys, you have to select the products for which you want to set up this automation. I want to set up this automation for this product which I have is PHP language course. I want that whenever a customer purchases this course, only in that case this automation workflow should trigger and it should remove a subscriber from a segment in our Flodesk account and add that subscriber to some other segment. So here guys, I have selected that course over here. If you want, you can set up the same automation for multiple courses or multiple products as well. So in this way, if you want, you can set up this automation for all the products which you have in your Thrivecart account and one by one select all of those products over here. Right now in this video, I will be setting up this automation for only one product and only on the sale of this particular product, the customer will be removed. This automation workflow will be triggered in Pabbly Connect. After this, it is asking us product status. So in the drop down, you can see two different options of test mode and live mode. So the product which we have selected, what is the status of this particular product in our Thrivecart store? So here guys, in my Thrivecart account, you can see this particular product of PHP language course is in test mode. Let me show you. So these are all the products. We will go to this product of PHP language course. And here you can see the current status of this product is in test mode. So you have to select the status of the product over here. If you have the product in live mode, just select the product status as live from this drop down. And after selecting the status, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see it has changed to waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details of a new product purchase in our Thrivecart store for this particular product which we have selected. So now we are going to make a test product purchase for this product on our Thrivecart store. So I'll just go to the Thrivecart store. I'll just get the URL of this particular product for which we are setting up this automation. Copy the URL of this product and in an incognito tab, we are going to paste the URL and open this page. Now here guys, this is the checkout page for this product. Let's enter the details of an existing subscriber which we have in Flodesk. So in my Flodesk account, we want to remove the subscriber from this segment named as sign up. So in this segment guys, you can see right now I have 3 different subscribers. So let's use the details of this subscriber over here. The name of the person is demo user. So we are going to enter the name. This is the email address of this person who's purchasing the product. And then this is a test mobile number. Click on continue. Then because this product is in test mode, so we can use the test card to make this transaction. Just copy the card from here, paste it over here, and let's enter the month and the CVV. Click on complete order. Now as we click on complete order, here you can see this order is processing right now. So now you will see just now we have received a new order. A new product has been purchased on our Thrivecart store and the purchase is successfully done. So just now we received a new product purchase on our Thrivecart store. Now because we have connected our Thrivecart store with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger window, just now instantly within seconds, we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same product purchase. Here you can see the same amount for which we have received this order. Then we will scroll down further. You can see the name of the same product, the same course for which we made the test payment. So we have created this trigger for this product named as PHP language course. And here you can see the same product name as well. Then we'll scroll down further. You can see the currency in which the customer made the payment. We'll scroll down further. And here you can see the details of the customer who made the payment. The name of the person is demo user. Then after that, this is the email address of that particular person, that particular customer. And this is the contact number. So this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully received the details of a new product purchase of a new order from our Thrivecart store in Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger window. Now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, what we want to do, we want to remove this customer from this particular segment in our Flodesk account. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action window, and here in choose app, search for Flodesk. Just select it. After selecting Flodesk, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as remove existing subscriber from segment. Then just click on connect and select add new connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Flodesk account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Flodesk button. Now because I have logged into my Flodesk account, it has detected the same account over here. We just have to enter the login credentials of our Flodesk account and click on this sign in button. And after signing in, just click on allow. Now as we click on allow, we will see our Flodesk account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the subscriber email. That what is the email address of the subscriber to whom we want to remove from a segment in Flodesk. So we have received the email address of the customer who made the purchase on our Thrivecart store. So now in this trigger window responses where we have received the new product purchase details, we have to map this response of email address from this trigger responses to this subscriber email field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have created. And out of all of these responses, select the response of email customer email and it will be mapped. So whatever email address the customer is going to enter at the checkout page while making the purchase on our Thrivecart store, with the same email, the subscriber must be there in Flodesk. So we are going to remove that same subscriber from a segment in Flodesk. After selecting the subscriber email, mapping the subscriber email, the next thing it asks us is select segment. And here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the segments which we have created in our Flodesk account. Now here we have to select that from which segment we want to remove this subscriber in Flodesk. So here guys, we want to remove the subscriber from this segment named as sign up. So here I'm going to select sign up as the segment. If you want, using the same action event, you can select multiple segment as well. Using the same action event, you can remove the subscriber from multiple segments as well. But right now I want to remove the subscriber from this segment named as sign up. So I've selected it. So after mapping the subscriber email and selecting the segment from which we want to remove this subscriber, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this particular subscriber who email address we have mapped over here. Basically the customer who made the product purchase on our Thrivecart store, the same customer is now removed from this segment in our Flodesk account. So let's check it. We will go to a Flodesk account. Right now you can see this subscriber over here, but when we will refresh this page once, we will see this subscriber will be removed from this segment. And yes, here you can see that in this segment named as sign up, demo user, that particular subscriber is been removed. This means our automation workflow is working perfectly fine till this step. And till now using this automation, whenever there will be a new product purchase in our Thrivecart store, automatically the customer who made the purchase will be removed from a segment in our Flodesk account. Now after this, let's move to the third step. Now if you want to remove the subscriber from one segment, but you want to add the same subscriber to some other segment on your Flodesk account, in that case, you can use the same automation to do this. So we have removed the subscriber from this segment named as sign up. But now I want that if this particular person is now converted as a customer, is a customer now, then I want to add that subscriber in the other segment named as Thrivecart customer. So now to add the same person into some other segment in our Flodesk account, what we are going to do, we will just click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, once again search for Flodesk. Just select it. After selecting Flodesk, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as add existing subscriber to segment. Then just click on connect. Now because we have connected our Flodesk account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection once again. You just have to select the existing connection and click on save. And when we click on save, here you will see our Flodesk account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after making the connection, it is asking us the same two details, subscriber email, that what is the email address of the subscriber to whom we want to add to the segment. So here from the same Thrivecart responses, we are going to map the response of customer email over here because we want to add the same person but into some different segment. So we have mapped the subscriber email. Then here in select segment from the drop down, this time you have to select the segment that in which segment we want to add this subscriber into. So I want to add the subscriber, the customers into the segment named as Thrivecart customers. So I'm going to select that segment over here. If you want, you can use this same action event to add the subscriber in multiple segments as well. And after selecting the segment, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response, and this response also seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the same customer who made the purchase on our Thrivecart store, this same customer is now added as a subscriber into some other segment in our Flodesk account. So let's check it. We will go to a Flodesk account. Right now you can't see any subscriber in this segment, but when we will refresh this page, you will see this same subscriber will be added into a segment in this particular segment in our Flodesk account. And you can see the same person, the same customer over here. So now you can see that the automation workflow which we have created, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now here guys, using this automation, whenever there will be a new product purchase in our Thrivecart store, automatically the customer who made the purchase will be removed from a segment in our Flodesk account, and we are going to add that same customer into some other segment in our Flodesk account as well. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once in real time. We will just go to the sign up segment in our Flodesk account. This is the sign up segment. And right now we have two other subscribers over here. The name of this subscriber is dummy user. Now we are going to make a product purchase on our Thrivecart store for this product using this subscriber details of dummy user. Let's copy the name. First copy the link of the Thrivecart page, and in an incognito tab, we are going to once again paste this link. Now here in name section guys, we are going to enter the name of this subscriber, that is dummy user. Let's enter the same name. After this, let's enter the same email address as well. So we'll just copy the email address and paste it. And we are going to enter a dummy mobile number. Click on continue. Now because this is a test payment, this is a test purchase, so we are going to enter the test card details and then click on complete order. So just now you can see we have placed another order, a new purchase has been made on our Thrivecart store. And we will see as we receive a new order, a new product is purchased on our Thrivecart store, the customer who purchased the product will be removed from a segment in our Flodesk account and will be added to some other segment in our Flodesk account automatically. So the order is successfully received, the product purchase is done. Now we'll go to Flodesk account, refresh this sign up segment page once, and now you can see this subscriber will be removed. And yes, dummy user, that particular subscriber is now removed from this segment in our Flodesk account. And we'll go to the other segment which we have, that is Thrivecart customer. And you can see that same person, dummy user, is now added as a subscriber in this segment, in this particular segment in our Flodesk account. This means the automation workflow which we have created, we have tested this automation and it's working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account. Also let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.